Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the Ibis Saigon Hotel at Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. As everybody knows, whosoever is my subscriber now, that I had visited Vietnam in March, but I'm still releasing vlogs. So guys, continue watching. Okay, let's go to the video straight. Okay, and this hand body face wash. So these are the lights which you have. So you can switch this off also and switch this off also. So any of it, whatever you like, you can use. And the mirror is this big. This is it. So here they give you this, then comb, dental kits, 2 dental kits, one of the cotton buds which I already used, and 2 glasses. Okay, I fear they should not fall off. And did you check the girl on my t-shirt? Yeah, so it's got a shawl. Yo, awesome, like a very good t-shirt of Bermuda I'm wearing today. So this is the normal, like, so this is into a very mini washroom. Budget is there. Being an Asian Indian, I have to look after this. So without a budget, I never book any hotels. Okay, so this is very mandatory for me. My life doesn't work without budgets. Okay. So this same thing, same that one, this one, same. Shower and everything, place to keep your stuff if you have. One thing missing I saw is shower cap. There is no shower cap here. Okay, so you need shower caps. So I think so we can ask them to give. So that is what I saw missing here. Rest everything like it's normal, the mini studio version of washrooms. Like this is very compact. This also is there, I mean dustbin. Okay, so shower cap is something which everybody wants because they don't want to get wet, like they don't want to get their hair wet. Okay, so this is my room. So here what they give you, see, this is sort of a room for business executive. So 2 sockets, okay, and then they give you this chair here, dustbin here. This is what? Fridge, I think so. Yes, mini fridge. So this is a mini fridge. 2 slippers they gave me. One I wore, one of them is this. Hangers, place to keep your stuff. Like no closed wardrobes, okay? So now the final grand reveal. Okay, so they have not given me a very good room. I landed at, I came at 1 a.m. at night because my Vietnam Airlines flight got delayed. So that is the issue. Okay, so this is the scene from my room. I don't know what it is. I really don't know. This is the building. This is what I don't know. I really don't. I come here. I will show you the room partially for now. So I get a safe just like I get in India. Let me do the safe check. Lock. Okay, not opening. Okay, opening. So this is like you get same things, Dilma, all these things you get there as well. Like whatever, tea, coffee, I don't want anyways. So this is the what do you call it, paper napkin, water heater, like electric kettle, 2 cups. Then a very interesting thing. See, this is a glass bottle. Like in India, we are giving plastic bottles, so we are drinking microplastics. So they are like giving glass bottles. So what it is, I will just tell you one more thing here. It's not here written, but stay local, be sustainable. And I love the way it is written. Okay, so choose sustainability. See, stay plastic free from with our bottles. We partner with Glacia. So Glacia is any firm, I think so here, which will be 100 rice recycle in-house will be returned, and if you break it, 20,000 is the penalty. So I am not touching it only, so no breaking it only. So this is a bag, I think so, for your laundry. Yeah, so that this is a laundry. So these people do the laundry thing also. Yes, they do the laundry thing also. So this is what I have covered right now, and then there is a sofa sort of thing which you can like lay, sit and eat, whatever. So this is the space, and I will tell you more later to keep in mind if you are here. Like your breakfast is from 6 a.m. to 10:30. Like I'm talking about March 26th. If you see this video very later, I don't know when what the breakfast time is, but for now it is just 4 to 6 a.m. This is the entire thing. You can read it, and like you have gym, steam, sauna, swimming pool as well. So rest, it's all promotion of food which keeps changing according to the time, month or year that is running. So yeah, so this is it. Rest, I don't find any very much attractive. So I'm just exiting this. So this is the room. To be telling you perfectly, like this is 38 meters square, which I read online, and I love the quotation when everything seems to be going against you. Remember that the airplane takes off against the wind. Yes, perfect. So this is like, the bed is very, very comfortable, excellent. I had an excellent sleep, though I came pretty late, approximate 1:30. I checked in because of late flight. So the issue with this just room is this light is pretty less, what I felt at night, though in the morning because of daylight the light becomes quite, you have a lot of light. So no wardrobes as such, if I say, and like see sockets here, yes, night lights, yes, you have them. The night light that side as well. This reading lights here, reading lights there, and LCD. Yes, this is a no smoking room, so everything in place. Like the LCD cabinet looks like this. This cabinet looks like this, and like the mirror looks like this. Though I look bad, I'm just leaving. I'm rushing to leave it at 12. So that's all for this. Like this thing looks like, this entire room looks like this, though I've used it for a day, so things are a little messed up. One thing I want to show, which I realized while I was taking part, like in Vietnam, this like we do not know how to operate this tap. So if I do this up, like if I open this, so this is down, see, this is down, so this is down. If I open it, so this water will come. But if I switch, if I open this, so water will come in my shower thing. So like I have opened it, like see, this is open. Oh, it will follow me. So because it is open, once I pinch it back down, so this will come. I have to use cream in my hand. So up and down. So up, when you pinch it up, then this. When you do it up, this will come, and when you do it down, like if you close it, then this will come. I don't know, like I have not seen such taps, so I'm a little illiterate, so that's why I am like, So I think so you learned what I'm trying to say. So this was the thing for this entire thing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Happy traveling, happy dreaming.